For today's video, may iba naman po tayo. Pag-uusapan natin ang mga digital and online banks. Ngayon, 2025, kamusta ang base interest nila, ang max interest rate, and how are they crediting the interest income? So, yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Medyo madami ito. So, samahan niyo ako. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to the channel. Okay guys, itong pag-usapan natin, this is in no particular order. Okay, simulan na po natin kasi medyo madami po sila. And again, this is for this year, 2025, na nag-take effect na yung mga recent changes on interest. So, hindi lang natin alam if later this year magkakaroon pa ba ng movement sa mga interest rates. Pero as of now, ito po siya. Okay, simulan na po natin. Unang-una, si Maya. Maya Bank has base interest of 3.5% and a maximum interest rate of up to 15% per annum. You can achieve this up to 15% per annum na interest rate kapag nagawa mo yung mga missions nila. Usually yan yung paggamit nyo ng inyong Maya wallet. Doon kayo nadadagdagan ng percentage sa inyong interest rate. So, up to 15% yan. However, if I'm not mistaken, yung 1% dyan yata is if you are a smart postpaid. So, I think hindi siguro lahat makakakuha ng 15%. Maybe around 14 to 15%. And crediting of interest income dito ay on a daily basis. Kaya, matutuwa kayong mag-ipon kasi nakikita nyo may changes sa inyong mga kaperahan. Number 2 is Tonic Bank. Tonic Bank, medyo mababa yung regular savings nila, nasa 1%. However, yung solo stash ay nasa 4%. In terms of max, walang mission kailangan gawin. So basically, only the base interest. Ang crediting ng kanyang interest income is on a monthly basis. OF Bank. OF Bank is one of the digital banks but they're more catered to OFWs. So, ang interest rate dito ay mababa, nasa 0.05%. Hindi man lang nga 0.5% eh. Hindi kalahati ng 1%. It's 0.05%. And then, crediting din nito ay on a monthly basis. Walang max. Basically, yun lang. So, para siyang traditional bank. Number 4 natin ay si C-Bank. C-Bank right now has only 4% per annum. Wala kang gagawing mission to increase your interest rate. Though, ang masasabi ko, since daily crediting ang interest, matutuwa rin kayo kasi nakikita nyo na may changes sa inyong mga savings. Kung pampalubag-loob na lang, maraming mga cashback or rewards kayo makukuha kay C-Bank by doing mission sa kanila. So, doon naman sila bumabawi sa mga cashbacks. Number 5 natin ay si CIMB Bank. So, si CIMB Bank, ang base interest dito ay nasa around 2.5%. Though, medyo iba-iba kasi iba't ibang product din yung savings nila. Merong upsave sa GSave. Meron pang last save. So, ako, ang ginagamit ko with CIMB is the last save. Kasi ang last save ay nasa 5% per annum pa. Without doing any mission then. Pero if you're going to do mission, right now, ang promotion nila ay up to 15% per annum. And ang crediting ng kanilang interest income ay on a monthly basis. Though yung promo interest nila ay credited based on the mechanics ng promotion nila. Netbank. Netbank is one of the underrated banks na maganda. Ang masasabi ko lang dito is sinimulan ko na rin siyang gamitin and so far, so good. Wala naman ako naging problema with Netbank. Base interest is 4% and there's no mission to increase the interest rate of Netbank. The crediting of interest rate is on a daily basis. Yan. Pang number 7 natin ay si Own Bank. So si Own Bank right now, ang base interest niya ay 5% per annum. And then ang crediting naman ng interest income ni Own Bank ay on a daily basis. Kaya isa to sa mga bank na ginagamit ko kasi nakikita ko na nag-grow yung pera ko on a daily basis. Though, ang masasabi ko lang dito, walang cap ang maximum interest rate nila. When I say walang cap, you can go over 1,000%, 2,000%, 3,000%. Paano ko nasabi? Well, nasubukan ko na. Paano ko nasubukan? Yung mga gumamit ng referral code ko, meron yung reward sa mga nagre-refer na 50 pesos din na 300k vouchers and then meron pang nakalagay na additional 1% voucher, 2%, 3% voucher. So, naipon nyo sa akin and then ginamit ko, napaabot ko hanggang 1,000, 2,000. Yan. Di ba? So, thank you po sa lahat ng gumamit ng aking referral code. Though guys, clarification lang dito, hindi ibig po sabihin yan na total money na nakalagay doon. Up to 50,000 pesos lang yung cap nung i-interesan dyan sa own bank. Okay, pang number 8 po natin ay si GoTime. So, si GoTime, meron siyang promotion right now na 5% hanggang katapusan ng February. But the base interest really is 4%. And then the crediting of interest income ni GoTime ay monthly. Okay, number 9 is Uno Digital Bank. So, ito naman ay may base interest na 3.5% kapag ang deposit amount mo ay 5,000 and below. Kapag more than 5,000 naman, meron siyang 4% per annum na interest rate. Walang other mission to increase the base interest, but the crediting of interest income is on a daily basis. Number 10 is Union Digital Bank. Ito naman, napaka-straightforward na 4%. Wala kang gagawin din na any mission. It's just 4%. Interest income is being credited on a monthly basis. RCBC Discartec, this is before yung nasa 6%. However, binaba na to, nasa 4.88% na lang siya. Ang crediting ng interest nito ay on a monthly basis din. And then, walang other mission that you can do to increase the interest. Lastly, number 12 is BPI Direct Banco. Sinama ko to kasi online din naman siya. And the interest rate kasi nito is at 5%. Ang crediting nga lang ng interest income nito ay on a monthly basis. So, kung titingnan po natin lahat tong mga sinabi ko, marami pa rin naman po ang matataas ang interest rate at 4 to 5%. Being owned bank and BPI Banco with a base interest of 5%. And then, ang pinakamatataas naman po dito in terms of missions na gagawin ka ay si CIMB and si Maya. And again, sabi ko nga, yung maximum limit ni own bank, kung gagawin mo yung true referral niya, makakaabot ka ng up to 100% or more than 100%. So, basically, yan po ang state of interest rate ng ating mga online and digital bank this 2025. So, for our question of the day, based on our discussion po, merong mga base and maximum na interest rate, right? Pero doing the max interest rate, ibig sabihin lang may gagawin kang mission. For our question of the day po, sa tingin niyo po ba, is it worth it to do the missions ng mga digital banks natin, mga online banks natin, para lang ma-achieve natin yung maximum na interest rate? At bakit? Let me know po sa comment section sa baba at may chance po kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Catherine Gorobat 1993. Sabi niya, thank you po sir sa info. More video po sana na makaka-help talaga sa mga tao. God bless po. At Catherine Gorobat 1993, shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!